Sometimes simple sharing just isn't enough. With Workplace, you have many more options. Instead of simply deciding to share a file with individuals or groups of people, you can also decide how people can interact with your files. For example, you can let someone read a file but not edit it. For others, you can allow them to upload, edit, and manage their own files, but not those belonging to other people. And you can also work with multiple document versions. Want to revert back to a previous version? No problem. Just select it from the list. In short, you have business-grade permission management available with many flexible options, either per file or at the folder level. You decide how you want other people to interact with the files and folders in your Drive environment. And of course, you can always share your vacation pictures with your friends and family. Workplace. Powerful, but simple.